Hello coders, welcome to another quick JavaScript lesson. Today we are going to learn how to check if either of the two numbers is 50 or if the sum equals 50. Let's dive right in. In programming, checking for specific values like the number 50 can be really useful in a variety of scenarios. Today we'll learn how to do just that. Let's start by defining a function named test50. This function will take two numbers as input and return true if either number is 50 or if the sum equals 50. Inside the function, we use logical operators to check three conditions: if x is 50, if y is 50, or if the sum equals 50. If any of these conditions are true, the function returns true. Let's test our function. If both numbers are 50, the function returns true. If only one number is 50, the function still returns true. What if neither number is 50, but the sum is? The function returns true in this case as well. Finally, if neither number is 50 and the sum is not 50, the function will return false. For those of you who prefer ES6, here is the same function written using arrow functions and strict equality operators. And there you have it. We learned how to check if either of the two numbers is 50 or if the sum is 50 in JavaScript. Keep practicing and see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more quick and fun coding tutorials. See you in the next video.